We grew up dancing in the golden
Okay, it's really sorry, sir. Number man to Diana. But also coming up about crime and keba. Now, as a ever, I do come to a now could or Sassan at security. And I idea here is until you never send off my back. I mean, to them about moving and presenting over it. It's meaning I say, oh, your bow. Oh, bow. You receive. Tina so your bow. When in my saving, I said, you know, Nama, a yana, if Piabo and Tia crowd, just a despite that. We say free play my over. We ain't begins you, and your moon say you be here. Mona Bible come once a more Bible. When the bar or swimming, it's mundin in the mountain. The minimum queen said you also okay. I said you when you see that way. I said you will say no, no bar. Dama kuma so ntu su tie me na jimidi na obenyankwa manu nsem da onzo wada hwe me de wo do ho bom ya gradi nyankopon mu wani agye papa studio ni hwe hona wo de se aduane kro ni won ma wo de pa drink ma me na ja ansa kra na di woni atwas why.
Don't worry.
Sure.
You've bagged enough, so back
enough.
And I need to get you something.
Yeah, something. I like the word.
Because I can't just watch you like that.
First thing. AKWABOAH. And I know so when you're interested. Pastor, maybe I'm going to for home. Sure.
So,
Baba.
Surprise. You know what? I just want to go to jail. Before I close my eyes and open. Hallelujah. Look at you. You want me? Look at your trousers. Fools. You think you are my class? Stupid guy. Next time, try me again. And you see, I will go to jail because of you. Stupid. Am I your class? Am I your mate? Oh, bottom. Me ba Ghana, me muntina me ba Ghana. Me fa approach for me, me do more approach. Ebe di wechi. When you can pour over na ha, make sense. 2 a.m. It's so close to come. Me share my phone.
Guys, AKWABOAH has beaten more than us. I'm very, very disappointed in you. You are very, very disappointed. See, right from the type this thing, I noticed that guy, AKWABOAH, has a plan. But I don't know, the one way they face me, the one way as him. If you see the way this guy they praise AKWABOAH, I'm in love with AKWABOAH. Now, did you use all this girl? I don't even understand. Like, for AKWABOAH that I know. AKWABOAH will not get liver to talk to woman. How come? So, I'm even shocked, sir. That's why I said I'm very disappointed in you. I'm over disappointed on your AKWABOAH. How can a guy? Why AKWABOAH would lie to us? Say he's not interested. He's not interested. But why all of them are in love with AKWABOAH?
Yes, sir. I need a direction to Hotel. Can you give me the direction?
Okay, go. Can you find anywhere they go? Ask another person. They discuss something. They talk about. Okay, they go now.
I just need help.
You just need help. Are we a signboard? If you go straight like this, you go meet that place. They go.
Okay, you for asking, are we a signboard? Guy, my friend, you for go.
My blood they hot. I feel like crying.
We have to go to AKWABOAH.
No be when we reach there now, you go to do anyhow. We go straight to there and talk to AKWABOAH face to face. See, guy.
Now for this one, I support you.
May you explain everything.
I will do your back. We have to even punch, but we have to punch.
If this in Nigeria, this guy na better slap where this guy go collect.
Oh, almost to Krumu, Jimmy, some size, open your
I
Oga, which kind of wahala for this one?
I go that place.
Country.
Sir, me was already couple of
Me know me and you wait my country.
Ah, what did you?
Me to cheap.
I didn't know also say.
Me Ghana nipa. We na yalata, we dear basa anti no anti trim.
And you blow.
Me bravo, basa bro for me said anti you.
And I'm just back catch them.
Me ni me. This war can
Hey,
we just see us to talk about.
Hey, Oga,
you for come down meet my town mind. Wait, let me finish. When I finish, I'll get back.
Yantone. What down for no?
But mention what you.
What's just
What mention? Na ya di bin here na we didn't
address this guy, man. What happen? See criminal where you say me. Now my wallet in the go now.
Nigeria, the same thing happened in Nigeria. The same thing happened to Nigeria. So keep quiet. This is the Ghana
guy. Move they go.
So we have to go to AKWABOAH.
If to say this in Nigeria, they can't slap why I go give AKWABOAH. You just confess.
Because of a girl. If you come down.
Guy, move they go.
You have to go.
Your brain let the work again. They go. You
by your brain work.
My brain the work perfectly.
Your brain the work.
Okay, they go.
I've said you already.
Who asked me to know this guy, sir?
We grew up dancing in the golden sand, laughed through nights holding hands. 1,000 stars lit up the sky, but now 2 hearts caught in a tie, back from the horizon home. Saw his smile,
I don't know what you mean. Obi a most more common no.
eyes of the sea.
I don't know who my address no. You can't find address. Book of this there. How far them?
Cuts like glass.
See, the thing they face me, I thought they wonder. How you take confuse these girls? These girls no fear accept you. You know how many times why don't they talk to these girls? AKWABOAH, what will we do you? What I do you?
You no, I'm not understanding what you're saying right now. Like
3 times so I have stopped these girls 3 times now, talking to them. All their music now, they are singing AKWABOAH. I don't know with the time they change Christian music to AKWABOAH music. These guys know they talk anything about is AKWABOAH. Guy, you say you know they're interested. What thing they happen now?
so they just told you that like
See now, I know what
I didn't win it for Bonisa. It's we know Namina, so we're watching Bonnie on. And ye can guess myself now. We want to do where's you and near to intensity who can be a my Master. I see she are girls near any girls who go where AKWABOAH, who say AKWABOAH, who can AKWABOAH, and she say AKWABOAH, is baby AKWABOAH. I think, yeah, girls in the cake. Master,
See, no problem. See what will happen. More no do, more no rush everything. You understand? You see the fat one, that fat one where they are. I don't get big guy. You guys my life. But I collect that fat one where they are. Give me the other one. This new one. My manager.
Fire burn you. You this guy. Fire burn you. You always do like something. Waiting the worry you. Nigeria ni go ba betina sa won kwasa sema ala tamam budie fra betina say me ni won fa won tina me fie na me ne won tina eduru ma sema wo se ba be yimi mama.
I don't say kai talk wetin I go dey hear you now.
Min kan kwasa sema kwakwa min kanete aso wo yale AKWABOAH he say di adina no on wo de ebe ya wo fa tiatian ni wi a kakraka no big nyash no fa ne mame na me woni left right center
May your mind day. See, I know say since you they talk about me they talk since you. I know say but I hear big nash. Guy no put your eye for there.
You to know best. If you cross the line,
so
something will happen.
Fighting or like
Yeah, tunum. In AKWABOAH, we are still kumpete do na ma. You know you Ghana for other technical champagne in Yan uncle. Into the young canon cooler. So, but you about plan and but near enough to move you. Only
also now when you have been now. Or when you are mobile, I must say, almost so feel me or easy, men probably out. And I'm at so many more than one, more than one. Come up if you have a deed 24/7. I can't come up with that. I'm a poison. But I mean, you have your money. And a man to come and pay or more. Men to
be able to.
And I am more.
Like AKWABOAH tells you.
I shock self like the thing shock me.
Like okay.
See, nothing shock you. And I mean they tell you nothing shock you.
I don't understand.
Everything where they talk here na lie. Na lie. I know say na lie they talk.
Why? You guys don't even trust me.
How can I trust you? How can I trust you? You be my man.
I like
you
them.
Be my man. These guys they come to your house, your sisters, they deal with your sisters. They discuss with your sisters. I don't be only that one. I don't see them again. No. I don't see them entering into your house again. No. Don't be only one now. This thing making it true. Guy, you dey free to talk to them. Okay. I know. Collect the big guys. If not the big guys, they hungry you. Collect the big guys. Give me the small guys. Man, manage them. No wahala.
Yes, wahala. Yes, wahala.
What they hard for
you? Waiting they hard for you.
Guy, shut up now. Man, talk.
Hey, mind your speech. If not, we will sleep outside there. I will get you out if you didn't mind your speech.
Guy, I don't pay my house rent.
You don't pay your house rent. AKWABOAH. If you say there's no a dear partner, there I guess.
May you be away.
When you
just blame me, don't you guys blame me.
The audio so in Yasan. What if I crave so many assets? Say the bay, giant, because my dear, or Monan compassion comes to be boom come. Almost quite a million, and today the audio so in Yasan.
Oh, they walk us away, dear, and it's just a respectful self. That's why we are man is that. You have to respect yourself. When you respect yourself, ladies can bring you with you.
It will be a real man.
I feel like crying for you. The way you talk this thing, I feel like crying for you.
So respect yourself. If you respect yourself, the man never starts here changing. So
guy, that respect will kill you. That respect will kill you. See, guy, wait. As they talk about something, they talk about respect. That the girl will not be the respect what they talk about. I mean, this girl man go. They tell me say, "Man, respect."
Why you always like? I said, sit down and let's talk about business.
Yeah, master, sit down.
Let's talk about business.
That one will make sense.
Guy, I don't understand you. Two of you now, I don't understand you. And they talk about woman here. They tell me say, "Man, sit down, talk about business." Which business where we go talk? See, I dey suspect. See, if they work with this guy now, I think say you dey follow me. I think say you be my man now. I don't know say you don't turn. The city don't turn. You and this guy they discuss something. Una dey do about guy. Let that business kill you. Make that business kill you.
Let's go.
See, I dey watch you now.
No wahala.
Come and sit down. Where are you going?
Yeah,
boy.
I dey go.
Let's forget. Nothing on was because as I go for banana. Fabao. Say, my friend will be a fat. I say, was some quick for just wake you. A rose go side.
It is the winner last now, because you need to or the problem.
Born maybe. I know a project working person may call. I'm a quiet some a you or the person coming no more. Because we say boom is car. Okay, what I say. Oh, I tell you the only one is the One in Casobet, one quite won't cry in my gun.